In the late 20th century, the skies were ruled by the US and Soviet Union, while China's Air Force lagged far behind, flying outdated Soviet-inspired jets. This technological gap was a glaring strategic weakness, especially as regional tensions rose. Determined to close it, China's leadership under Deng Xiaoping launched a sweeping modernization drive. In 1986, Project 8610 was born, an ambitious plan to create a homegrown, fourth-generation fighter to rival the world's best. This wasn't just about building a new jet, it was about transforming China's entire aerospace industry and ending reliance on foreign technology. The result would be the Chengdu J-10, a fighter designed to leapfrog decades of stagnation and redefine China's military image. The J-10, or Vigorous Dragon, was envisioned as a multi-role platform, agile, fast and equipped for both air superiority and ground attack. For the PLAAF, it promised a quantum leap modern avionics, advanced systems, and a fighting chance in contemporary air combat. The J-10's development marked China's declaration that it would no longer settle for second best. The Dragon was stirring, and the world was about to take notice. China's quest for air superiority had truly begun. Instead of updating old Soviet designs, Chengdu's engineers, led by Song Wenkong, took a bold leap, a canard delta wing configuration. This layout, seen in Europe's top fighters, offered exceptional agility, perfect for dogfights, but demanded advanced fly-by-wire controls to manage its inherent instability. For China, developing such a system from scratch was a massive risk, but it signaled a break from the past and a reach for the cutting edge. The J-10's large delta wing and forward canards gave it superb lift, high-speed performance, and razor-sharp maneuverability. Its sleek form, bubble canopy, and prominent ventral fin all reflected a new era of Chinese fighter design. The single engine, fed by a large under-cockpit intake, was optimized for speed and agility. Every aspect of the J-10's shape was engineered for air superiority, not copied from others but tailored to China's needs. The J-10 was a statement China could innovate, not just imitate. This radical design set the stage for a new generation of Chinese combat aircraft. The era of original Chinese fighter design had arrived. Designing the J-10 was one thing, making it fly was another. China's biggest challenge was the engine. Its own WS-10 Taihang lagged. So early J-10S used Russian AL-31F engines, highlighting a dependency China was desperate to end. Meanwhile, engineers raced to master fly-by-wire controls, a must for the unstable canard delta layout. Developing reliable flight computers and software required years of testing and innovation. Avionics were another hurdle. China had to create its own radar, cockpit displays, and electronic warfare systems from scratch. Early J-10S used the Type 1473 radar, a leap forward but still behind Western tech. Each component pushed Chinese industry into new territory, building a foundation for future advances. The J-10's development was a crucible, forging China's modern aerospace capabilities. Rumors have long swirled that the J-10 was based on Israel's cancelled Lavi fighter, given their similar canard delta layouts. Both Chinese and Israeli officials deny any technology transfer, and key differences, size, weight, and air intake design, support their claims. While Chinese engineers likely studied the Lavi, true fighter development demands far more than copying an airframe. The J-10's unique systems, metallurgy, and manufacturing were the result of China's own struggle and innovation. Suggesting it was a simple copy underestimates the immense domestic effort required. The J-10's real achievement was forcing China to master critical technologies independently. It forged a new generation of engineers, and proved China could design world-class fighters from scratch. The J-10's significance lies in its homegrown success, not alleged foreign influence. It marked China's arrival as a true aerospace power. The J-10A entered service in 2004, a major leap for China, but just the beginning. The J-10B, debuting a decade later, brought stealthier features like a diverterless supersonic intake and an infrared search and track sensor. Its radar was upgraded to a passive electronically scanned array, boosting situational awareness. The J-10C, entering service around 2018, is a true 4.5 generation fighter with an advanced AESA radar and the long-range PL-15 missile. This combo allows it to engage targets over 150 kilometers away, rivaling top Western jets. Crucially, the J-10C is now powered by the indigenous WS-10B engine, ending reliance on Russian propulsion. Each variant reflects China's rapid progress in avionics, stealth, and engine technology. The J-10's evolution mirrors the transformation of China's entire defense industry. From dependent beginnings to world-class capability, the Vigorous Dragon's journey is a story of relentless advancement. The J-10C stands as a symbol of China's technological maturity. For years, the J-10 was China's pride, but only flew under the P-8AF flag. That changed in 2022, when Pakistan inducted the J-10CE, the export version of the J-10C. This sale was a strategic move, giving Pakistan a credible answer to India's Rafale and deepening ties with China. The J-10CE's advanced radar and missiles made it a formidable addition to Pakistan's Air Force. The deal showcased China's confidence in its defense products and its willingness to export top-tier technology. The J-10's success has spurred global interest, offering high-end capability at a competitive price. For many nations, the J-10CE is an attractive path to modern air power. The Vigorous Dragon is now a symbol of China's emergence as a major arms exporter. The J-10 is more than a fighter, it's a symbol of China's transformation. It dragged the P-8LF into the 21st century, shifting focus from quantity to quality and networked warfare. The program built China's confidence and self-reliance, solving challenges in fly-by-wire, radar, and jet engines. These breakthroughs paved the way for even more advanced projects like the stealthy J-20. The J-10 forced the world to take Chinese military technology seriously. Its export success amplified China's influence, making the Vigorous Dragon a tool of statecraft. The J-10 will remain vital for years, likely evolving further, but its greatest legacy is proving China can innovate and compete at the highest level. The Vigorous Dragon changed not just China's Air Force but the global balance of power.